Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to set up the daily sales email. For this, you're going to want to go to the admin, which is hrpos.heartland.us. Once you sign in, you go to the menu here at the top left, and then go down to users. If you're in users, you select the user that you want to set up the email for. And this wasn't here when you created the user, it shows up afterwards, but there's an option now for daily sales email, and this is to receive daily sales emails for live locations. You put a checkbox in there and hit save, and you should start getting the emails very soon. That's all there is to it. Watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.